Oh, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Okay, let's go. Scratch to win up to $100.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question that everyone's been wondering: can you actually make money taking surveys? I don't know about you, but when I was in my teenage years, even into high school and college, I was always looking for unique ways to make money online, and surveys always came up as a unique opportunity to just share your opinion on things and get paid to do so. So over the years, I've definitely earned my fair share of free gift cards, PayPal payouts, and checks in the mail. And in today's video, I'm going to spend a couple hours doing paid surveys and show you and walk you through our favorite ones so that you can follow along and see if it's really worth your time or not. Now, to save you time from watching the entire video, I'm going to answer your question. Yes, you can make money with paid online surveys. You're not going to get rich. It's something to do in your spare time if you're a college student, a stay-at-home mom, binge watching Netflix on the weekend, have nothing better to do, want to earn some cash, earn some free gift cards, earn some free McSlaps, McDonald's. Paid surveys are a great way to make a little cash. It's a great introduction to making money online, and I'm going to walk you through how to do it and spend a couple hours doing it so you can see exactly how much you can make per hour. Now, if you are looking for ways to make more than just a couple dollars per hour, we're talking $20 to $50 per hour, I do have a video on 17 easy ways to make money online. These are legitimate side hustles and online jobs that you can do in your spare time or create a full-time income from. So definitely check that video out. And let's jump into doing paid online surveys. I'm going to put my glasses on here because I'm going to be sitting at this computer for a while trying to make you some money, trying to make us some money, taking paid surveys. Let's do it.
All right, so it is currently around 9:45 in the morning. I'm going to sit here and do surveys for a couple hours here, and you can watch me make some money doing surveys. And this is on our article on thesavvycouple.com, best survey sites that you can use to make some money. And the first one we're going to sign up for here is Swagbucks. All of these do have a sign-up bonus. That's obviously to entice you to sign up, create an account, give you that first little bump of money. And just a fair warning, almost every single one of them has a threshold that you have to meet in order to get a payout. So you might get your $5 bonus, but you really need to make $10 to $20 before you can actually withdraw the money and get free gift cards or get a PayPal payout. So Swagbucks is one of the most well-known sites for making some money online. They pay with free gift cards, and basically you sign up, get an account, and you can earn points with surveys, watching entertaining videos, shopping online, a bunch of different stuff. Here I signed in. As you can see, I have earned some Swagbucks already. If you are just new to signing up, you'll start with 500 Swagbucks. And if you do the math here, it looks like every Swagbuck is just a penny. So in order to get a $5 Amazon gift card, you would need 500 Swagbucks, which is $5 essentially. So if you were to sign up, you would be able to claim that gift right away with the bonus. But yeah, I'm going to kind of just go to answer here, and it's just asking, please make sure you answer thoroughly, carefully, and we're going to get started answering surveys. So first, they're going to identify the type of person you are and find some general stuff about you so that you can get the right surveys and get companies to match you with the right surveys. I filled out all that basic information. That took about 3 minutes, and now all of these bonuses and surveys have come up. So I'm going to go ahead and look through them and pick one that piques my interest. This 14-minute one for 250 Swagbucks plus another 125 is the bonus. We're going to start that survey. So we're going to go ahead and jump through these. All right, while I'm filling out this survey, came across this one, your favorite casual restaurants. I would love to know what your favorite casual restaurants are. Link them below. I've selected a few of our favorite: Chipotle, IHOP, Red Robin, Tim Hortons is a big one for us. But yeah, let me know what your favorite is. Honestly, our favorite, best value, McDonald's. We love McDonald's. Supposedly, I did not meet the needs of that survey. It looks like at the top it says, not every survey can be a winner, but at least here's one swag dollar for trying. So I just got a penny for another 3 minutes of work. So far, we are almost 10 minutes in and have not made anything, which is wonderful. Okay, let's try a different one. Getting a little frustrated. There's another one that did not work. I'm going to try a different one that's not featured. All right, so this is something I want to show. So this is a survey that says, if qualified, you will be asked to answer questions that are sexually explicit. Study is for researching clients that produce adult sex toys. So I'm going to pass on this one. Not something I'm interested in at the moment. All right, let's try another one here. All right, so I went and started another one, and this is what came up. So We are striking out on Swagbucks. Let's try something else. I know that they do decent, they have a decent Chrome extension that you can use for saving money when you're shopping. We've used that before, definitely worth looking into. But I'm going to actually go in and look at watching TV. Since we're striking out with Swagbucks on the surveys and matching us to ones that we actually can do, we're up to 24 Swagbucks. So we've earned, 8 cents since we started. It's now 9:58, almost 15 minutes in. We're going to switch to watching videos. I'm going to do 1 or 2 of these, and then we can check out one of the other survey sites. But so far, I'm a little frustrated. The surveys are being a pain in the butt, not being able to be matched up with one that is working out good. And I know back in the day, when I was in high school, same thing happened. It would take a while to find a survey that actually worked. But once you do, you can earn that, $5 to $10 on a survey. But it's just time consuming to find one that you actually match up with. So right now I'm watching something on Yahoo Finance. There's a watch player here that has 22 seconds left. Once that's over, we will earn some Swagbucks and we'll check it out. All right, so we got the check mark here. I'm going to close out of this, go back, and it says discover, rate more content, next page. And it's giving us the next piece of content. So we got another 35 seconds. This is definitely something that you could do on 2 monitors. So I have 2 monitors here. I could kind of scroll these over to the other side and work on something while the videos are playing in the background. I believe that's something I used to do as well. Or if you're at work and you're bored, got extra time, maybe you can watch some videos, make some money. But yep, I'm going to fast forward through this and we're going to see where we're at after this 14 seconds. And we're on to another video. Okay, that's when that one is over, and that was step 3 of 3, and we earned 1 Swagbuck. So we've earned another penny. So, like I said in the beginning of this video, taking surveys and earning money this way is probably not your best use of time. There's so many other ways. Go watch the video. 17 easy ways to make money online. Those are legitimate ways that you can earn some good, decent income. I'm actually going to be moving on to the next one here. I'll show you some other things. You can play games, you can shop, and earn some cash back, and the surveys we struck out on. So Swagbucks, not too impressed. We've earned 24. We've earned only 8 actually since we started, but we're going to jump out of this one and move to the next one. And the next one is going to be Survey Junkie. So Survey Junkie, take surveys, get paid. Let's test it out. I'm going to sign up for an account real quick and we will be back shortly. All right, so it asked me some generic questions, my birthday, my sex, my age, all that stuff. And it looks like, congratulations, you got 25 points for signing up. All right, it's asking me to install the Chrome extension. So right now we have 75 cents. And we're going to, there's already a bunch of surveys that popped up. So we're going to go ahead and start this one. It's 23 questions, takes 6 minutes, it says. I like how this one is keeping the surveys right on the website, not like bouncing around to different ones. I feel a little more safe doing that. All right, so I'm going to bust through these questions and then we will be back. That one we started at 10:06 and it took 2 minutes. We earned 21 cents. So we will go ahead and start there. All right, so I'm just kind of going through the quick start checklist here. It's talking about how to earn your points, complete surveys, and when you do, you can earn more points, reach 500 points, and redeem instantly with e-gift cards. Click the drop-down menu to redeem your points. And we got another 5 points, so another 5 cents we just earned. So far, Survey Junkie has been a lot more user-friendly than Swagbucks. So this one it's offering me 150 points, which is $1.50 for installing the Chrome extension, which is basically help brands create a better voice, earn more points, probably with shopping, all that stuff. All right, so I'm just kind of going through the side here because it's got a lot of points showing up here that looks like pretty easy to make. So do you use a smartphone? Yes, mostly for business use. Verizon. Comment below, are you an Apple or Android user? We earned another 10 points. So we are currently up to 110 points. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do a survey here. It says that it's 10 points or 150 points, so $1.50, or actually work with compared to the others. All right, so it is 10:16 now, and I'm going to start this survey and see how much we can make from it. So we didn't qualify for that. We got 3 points for our time. But I'm going to go ahead and try this top survey. And then we'll move on to the next one here. Again, you're not going to make a killing off of these surveys. And we didn't qualify for that one as well.
I am dead inside.
I think I'm done with Survey Junkie. We earned $1.15 while we were here, which is better than the previous one. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this one. All right, so I totally goofed and thought I was recording, and I just went through and did the other two that I was going to go over today, MyPoints and InboxDollars. So I'm going to kind of give you a summary on MyPoints. We came in here, we signed up for an account. We got a little bit of a bonus. We started to do the intro survey again to see which surveys we would actually qualify for. We kept getting kicked out. So same thing with the other ones, pain in the butt to set up your account. If you are going to start trying to make a decent amount of money per hour with surveys, I would stick with one company that you can continue to get surveys with that you qualify for, or you're just going to be continuing to do basic surveys and then get kicked out. So we earned 20 cents with them. We're coming up on an hour here. We're at about $1.50. But before you go, there's one that was promising. We started to do InboxDollars. Like I said, I totally forgot to hit record. So we were on InboxDollars. We signed up for an account. They gave us our $5 off the bat. All you had to do is confirm your email address. And if we go here, we should be at $5.50. We did do another homepage profiler, so we are at $5.50. In order to get a cash payout, you do need $15. So we're already a third of the way there. So now we're at what? Almost $7 within an hour. We did start watching videos. It's the same thing as Swagbucks. You kind of watch a video. You can earn up to 50 cents for doing that. I'm going to try another survey here on InboxDollars. This survey is worth $1.25. It will take you 30 minutes. I've had my account for a while there. Surveys. Let's try videos again. So we have to say through here, through 30 seconds, 9 times. To get, what, 2 cents? So you can get the video player up and running, and it's counting down and you're not even looking at it. So let's look at some cashback shopping with InboxDollars. So we're going to close out of that. We're going to click next page. So that's a little hack to earn a little extra cash quicker. You can do videos and surveys, whatever you want to do. I am the one, the way your son don't need the... So let's search for finance. Let's see what happens when we type in our company. The Savvy Couple. Here we are, Family Finance Freedom. We got our shop, our blog, all that stuff. You're almost a winner. So there's a progress bar up top and back to our YouTube channel. This one, if you're getting frustrated like me, taking these surveys, going through these companies, getting frustrated, click this video, go watch it. That's actually going to be you taking skills that you have, not just anyone can come and do this and waste their time earning, a couple dollars an hour. This is taking your skills that you have, your passions, turning it into money, turning it into a business or freelance work. So definitely, I've said this a couple times in the video, go check this video out. I'll link it below and above. So let's see what this is. Scratch and win or keep going. Let's see if I can get up to this one. So far, this is not too bad. Let's search something else. Oh, my video's done. Next, I'm a big Steelers fan. We're gonna keep clicking away and seeing if we can get this bar to keep going up. Put in another one of my favorite teams. We got another video. We're on 6 out of 9, and it is playing in the background, so pretty cool. We're almost up to the next threshold. Next, I'm going to do paid online surveys. Let's see what pops up. I wonder if InboxDollars pops up. Oh, look at that. We're almost up to the $100. I'm actually feeling motivated to get up there, and slowly but surely. Next video's done. So if we play solitaire, we can earn some money. Sweet. Let's go back to search. And let's see what happens now that we're done with the videos. We earned 2 cents. Yeah! Wow. That's all I care about is this scratch and win. Oh, we're getting close. We're getting close. Now I'm getting pumped. Oh, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Okay. Let's go. Scratch to win up to $100. 15 cents, 10 cents, 9 cents. We're going to earn 9 cents. It's a little disappointing, but 9 cents is 9 cents. Continue. So we're up to $5.61 on InboxDollars. All right. So for an hour of doing paid online surveys, and I was planning on doing at least 2 hours to really see how much we can make, but I cannot stomach any more of this slow moving, frustrating survey taking. But we've made $7.04, and that's without getting the bonus with Swagbucks, which you would have gotten if you just signed up. So we would have been at $12.04 as a total for the hour doing surveys, and that was including going through getting bonuses at different ones, doing the same intro survey to see which surveys we could actually apply for and get certified to take. Not terrible. Obviously, the last hour has been kind of frustrating. You've seen it on my face. You've seen my reactions to earning the money. So obviously, there's better ways to make money online. But if you were looking for an easy, cheap way to kind of sit on your phone during a movie, watching Netflix, just bored on the weekend, you can make some free money with all of these survey companies. Just be cautious on which ones you sign up for as far as like if you want a PayPal payout or a cash payout versus gift cards. In our article, we kind of break down how they pay out, rank the ones that we have tried and tested to make sure that they are legit and safe, free to use. All right, so out of the 4 that we tested today from our article, I definitely like InboxDollars the most. I like that they make this kind of a gamification where you can get a scratch to win, earn some bonus points. We made technically $12.04. We don't have that money. It's not like it's in our bank account already. It's spread out through all these survey companies, and we would have to reach the threshold to actually withdraw it for a gift card or a PayPal payout. So just keep that as a note. That was freaking nuts. That was brutal. Don't waste your time on surveys.